Let's make a text wiggle in Premiere Pro. First of all, you have to select the text tool and then write your text. Now select the selection tool and you can make the text larger or smaller according to your choice. After that, go to Effects panel. Here search for turbulent displays and just add this effect to your text clip. Now go to Effect Controls. Under Effect Controls, scroll down and here you will find Turbulent Displays effect. Under this effect you will find amount. Give your amount 40 and size give 30. Then expand evolution options and here select random speed. Now make sure your playhead add date at the very beginning and enable this keyframe option. And then you have to move the keyframe at the end of your text and then again add another keyframe and here give value 30. And now let's play the video clip and here you can see my text is wiggle now. If you want to customize this text wiggle effect, just come to this amount section. From here you can increase or decrease your amount. You can change size also and you can also change your speed, and that's how you can actually do it.